It's really yummy. Oh, oh. This is so good. Ah, please make this soup, okay?
Walk from my vineyard.
Welcome back to Nutrition Lawyer channel. On this channel, we advocate for healthy living, healthy lifestyle, longevity, a ketogenic diet, fasting, and of course, detoxification of your body, mind, and soul. And of course, general happiness. Because if you're eating well, and you're looking good, and you're feeling wonderful, you're generally going to be happier, right? So yeah, of course. So let's get into today's video. So these are ingredients for the vegetable soup. We're going to do green cabbage. With the red cabbage, we're going to do that as the base. So we'll put some of the red cabbage in the bullet and we'll blend that, and that'll be the base of the soup for the thickness. So it's going to be green cabbage, some chayote or chocho, 2 of those. We're going to have a zucchini, half a large onion or a small onion. We've got some thyme and some scallion, and we got 4 cloves of garlic. And I'm also going to add some mushrooms, so just some white mushrooms, but you can do whatever mushrooms you want. All right, so let's get that red cabbage into the magic bullet or a blender or a food processor. So the red cabbage is in the bullet. To blend, we put a little bit of water in it. So so that's what it looks like. Looks pretty well blended. We're gonna do one more set for the base, but it looks pretty good. All right, so we're gonna pour the puree in the pot. We're gonna add another set to that, and then we'll add our veggies. So our red cabbage has been pureed and added to the pot as the base. It's looking good. We added some garlic, and I'm gonna add some onions and the zucchini and the chocho or chayote and the green cabbage to top it off.
Walk from my vineyard.
So the chayote or chocho and zucchini are in along with the onions. And then we'll top it off with green cabbage. So we've added the zucchini and we've added the green cabbage. We've added mushrooms and scallions and thyme and spices. So Mrs. Dash all-purpose seasoning, Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper. And we're gonna cover it and let it simmer. Soup is coming along great. Everything is in and all the spices are in. Looks like a red soup with the red cabbage puree as the base. And it looks really good. A few more minutes to simmer and we're ready to have our bite. Cabbage soup to break the fast. Chocho, chayote, onions, scallions, thyme, mushrooms, zucchini, red cabbage puree as the base, and of course our green cabbage on top. So good, cannot wait to taste. All right, so the soup is ready. It is ready. So I'm gonna get a bowl and have some, let you know how it tastes. All right, yummy. Want to make sure that I get some zucchini and some some of these mushrooms because it looks so good. Mushrooms, please.
Walk from my vineyard.
All right, so we're gonna try our veggie soup. Let's do it. It's really yummy. Oh, but it's very spicy. I think I put a lot of cayenne pepper in it. It's really good. Oh my gosh, but I love it spicy. Ah, it is so refreshing. Oh my gosh, so refreshing. This is so good. Please make this soup, okay? I know that I say that for every soup I make, but please make this vegetable soup regardless of whether or not you're fasting. Make this soup. This is so yummy. This cabbage is so good. The red cabbage as the base is absolutely yummy. Oh my gosh. There is nothing like a fantastic vegetable soup, okay? So good. This is our mushroom. Wow. That is so good. Life is wonderful. Cheers to healthy living.
To walk from